Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Papasan chair cushions that are available on the market for their true quality. I put this list together based on my personal experience and hours of research. I ranked them by popularity, quality, price, durability, user reviews, and more. If you'd like more details or want to see the latest prices, be sure to check the description below, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews. Alright, let's get started with the video! Starting at number 5, we have the Blazing Needles Polyester Microsuede Papasan Cushion. If you value comfort over anything else, I suggest you try the Polyester Microsuede Papasan Cushion by Blazing Needles. It is a great blend of comfort and durability. Hence, you can ensure you are investing your money in the right seat cushions. Since these polyester Papasan cushions are thickly padded with circle tufting, I found them extremely comfortable and cozy. The tuftings keep the shape of the chair cushions intact, which is why they do not wear out quickly. Further, this Papasan cushion is available in several colors and styles, and you can choose the one that fits the overall style of your home in the best way. These Papasan cushions are also very easy to install, clean, and maintain, so you can consider going for them even if you have kids or pets. The Microsuede fabric makes these Papasan cushions both water-resistant and stain-resistant, thus maintaining the overall quality of the product. Hence, I recommend this Papasan cushion to anyone who wants to upgrade the look of their Papasan chair on a budget without compromising the quality. However, some people might find the Microsuede fabrics of this Papasan cushion to be less breathable, especially during the summer season. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Tiita Solid Papasan Patio Seat Cushion. If you are looking for an extremely durable Papasan chair cushion chair, you should consider checking out the Patio Seat Cushion by Tiita. This cushion complemented my Papasan chair decently well and was very comfortable. After trying this product, I discovered that these Papasan cushions do not deform easily due to features like 9 stitching positions. Further, Papasan cushions are made of natural and eco-friendly materials, yet another standout feature of this product. Since I sit in my Papasan chairs for long periods, I found the overstuffed construction of these double Papasan chair cushions quite comfortable. You can also use this Papasan cushion set to decorate areas like your living rooms, since they are compact and can blend in easily. Although I found these Papasan cushions too compressed for my liking when they arrived, they returned to their thickness after a few hours of sunlight exposure. However, the corduroy cover may not be as durable as others. At number 3, we have the Cotton Craft Papasan Overstuffed Chair Cushion. While Papasan chair seat cushions should be comfortable, they can be a cherry on top if they can upgrade the overall look of your rooms. If you want your Papasan chair to add style to your room, consider checking out the Cotton Craft Papasan Overstuffed Chair Cushions. I bought the Poly Peacock Blue variant of this Papasan cushion, and it beautified my indoor home decor significantly. The style, the texture, and the colors come together beautifully. These seat cushions by Cotton Craft are overstuffed and plumped, making them comfortable to sit on. Further, they are covered by a cotton duck fabric, which makes the overall cushion durable too. Another aspect of this Papasan chair cushion that stood out was its recyclable material feature. Hence, this is one of the few chair cushions you can repurpose to create other creative decor pieces too. The only drawback of this Papasan cushion is the roughness of its fabrics. Based on my first-hand experience, I felt that the cover of these chair cushions was a bit harsh for my liking. At number 2, we have the Papasan Cushion Hanging Egg Chair. Another great Papasan chair cushion option you can consider is the double Papasan chair cushion set by the Papasan store. It provides users with increased comfort, durability, and a long-lasting life against wear and tear. After trying out this product, I found the overstuffed structure of these seat cushions for my Papasan chairs quite resilient. It maintains its shape over time, provides ample support, and does not let go of its loft. The fabric of this Papasan cushion set is high density, soft, and brushed. One of the standout features of this cushion set for Papasan chairs is its strap design. It allowed me to adjust the height of the seat cushions such that they went perfectly with the structure of my Papasan chair quite easily. I faced some minor issues while using this Papasan chair cushion set, though the main one was the requirement of keeping it under the sun for 5 to 7 days. It did not plump up as much as I had expected, but it was worth the purchase overall. And finally, at number 1, we have the HILUHIDI Papasan chair cushion. It cannot be easy to relax in a constricted space. Hence, while selecting a Papasan chair cushion, you should look for spacious options, especially if you purchase it for a bigger individual. In such cases, I recommend the Papasan chair cushion by HILUHIDI. Along with catering to several body types and positions, another standout feature of this Papasan cushion is that it is washable. Hence, I experienced firsthand that cleaning this Papasan chair cushion is an easy process. Further, this Papasan chair cushion can be a good option if you have pets or children at home. Since it has a strap design, your chair cushions will stay in place even if your pets, or young children, occasionally jump on them. You can pick your choice of Papasan cushion by HILUHIDI based on your color and design preferences, since this brand offers a wide variety to its customers. However, this Papasan chair cushion may not be best for individuals suffering from back pain, as it is not firm enough to provide adequate support. Thanks for watching. That's all for now. I hope to see you in the next video. Until next time.